Hey everybody, I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back to my show. It's always a pleasure to have you join me. I'm so excited about today's topic because it's all about relationships. Relationships are such a fundamental part of our lives, and they can bring so much joy and fulfillment. Well, actually, it's about how to be more attractive to women. This is a topic that many people are curious about, and it's something that can really make a difference in your social life. I know, you're probably thinking, Ellen, what do you know about being attractive to women? It's a fair question, and I'm here to share what I've learned. And you're right, I'm not an expert. But I've done a lot of research and talked to many people who are. But I know some things, and I'm confident that the tips and advice I'll share today will be helpful. And I've invited a special guest today who is an expert. This person has years of experience and a wealth of knowledge on the subject. We're going to be talking about everything from confidence to kindness to authenticity. These are key qualities that can make you more attractive and help you build meaningful connections. So, if you're ready to find out how to attract your dream woman, keep watching. We're going to dive deep into practical tips and real-life examples that you can start using today. Stay tuned, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. 1. Confidence is key. All right, let's be honest. Confidence is sexy. It's that undeniable quality that makes people stand out in a crowd. When someone walks into a room with their head held high and a smile on their face, it's hard not to notice them. Confidence isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good from the inside out. It's like the number one thing that attracts people to each other. When you're confident, you exude a certain charm and charisma that draws people in. It's not about being the loudest person in the room, but about having a quiet assurance that you know who you are and what you stand for. Think about it. When you see someone who's confident, don't you just want to get to know them better? It's like they have this aura that makes you curious about their story, their experiences, and their journey. Confidence can open doors to new friendships, relationships, and opportunities. It's like they have this magnetic energy that draws you in. You find yourself wanting to be around them, to learn from them, and to share in their positive vibes. Confidence is contagious, and being around confident people can inspire you to be more confident yourself. And the best part is, confidence is something you can build. It's not an innate trait that only a few possess. Anyone can develop confidence with the right mindset and practice. It starts with small steps, like setting achievable goals and celebrating your progress along the way. It's like a muscle. The more you work on it, the stronger it gets. Whether it's through physical activities, learning new skills, or simply pushing yourself to try new things, every effort you make towards building confidence counts. It's about consistency and perseverance. So, how do you build confidence? Well, it's all about stepping outside of your comfort zone, facing your fears, and embracing new challenges. It's about taking risks and not being afraid to fail, because every failure is a learning opportunity that brings you one step closer to success. Trying new things and celebrating your accomplishments. Each time you achieve something, no matter how small, it boosts your confidence and motivates you to keep going. Remember to acknowledge your efforts and give yourself credit for your hard work. Remember, you are awesome and you deserve to feel confident. Confidence is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing yourself, keep growing, and never forget that you have the power to be the best version of yourself. Embrace your uniqueness and let your confidence shine through in everything you do. 2. Good hygiene and grooming. It matters. Okay, this one might seem obvious, but trust me, it's important. Good hygiene is crucial. No one wants to be around someone who smells like they just finished a marathon, right? And grooming? Well, that's just about taking care of yourself. Get a haircut, trim your beard, find a cologne that makes you feel good. It's not about being vain, it's about showing the world that you care about yourself. And when you care about yourself, it shows. Plus, it's a sign of respect for the people around you. 3. Humor, the best medicine and attraction magnet. You know I love to laugh, and let me tell you, a good sense of humor goes a long way. When you can make someone laugh, you're instantly more attractive. Why? Because laughter is contagious. It makes people feel good, and it creates a connection. Now, I'm not saying you have to be a stand-up comedian, but being able to laugh at yourself and find humor in everyday situations is a huge plus. So go ahead. Tell a joke, be silly, and don't be afraid to laugh at yourself. 4. Listen up. Being a good listener is super attractive. We all want to feel heard, right? Well, being a good listener is one of the most attractive qualities a person can have. When you truly listen to someone, when you're present and engaged in the conversation, it shows that you care. Put down your phone, make eye contact, and really listen to what she has to say. Ask questions, show empathy, and let her know that you're interested in her thoughts and feelings. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. 5. Genuine interests show you care. Okay, this one's important. Don't just pretend to be interested in someone, actually be interested. Ask questions about her life, her passions, her dreams. What makes her tick? What are her hobbies? What are her favorite things? When you show genuine interest in someone, it shows that you see them, you value them, and you want to get to know them on a deeper level. And that's incredibly attractive.
Check.
6. Body language speaks volumes. You know how they say actions speak louder than words? Well, it's true. Our body language can convey a wealth of information without us even realizing it. From the way we stand to the gestures we make, every movement can send a message. Your body language says a lot about you. It can reveal your confidence, your interest, and even your intentions. For instance, standing with an open posture can make you appear more confident and approachable. When you're talking to a woman, make eye contact, smile, and uncross your arms. These simple actions can make a big difference in how you're perceived. Eye contact shows that you're paying attention and are genuinely interested in what she has to say. Lean in when she's talking and mirror her body language subtly. Mirroring is a powerful technique that can create a sense of connection and rapport. It shows that you're in sync with her and can make the conversation flow more naturally. These are all signs that you're engaged, interested, and approachable. Nodding and smiling while she speaks can further reinforce this. It signals that you're actively listening and valuing her input. On the other hand, avoiding eye contact, crossing your arms, and fidgeting can make you seem closed off and uninterested. These negative signals can create barriers in communication and make it harder to build a connection. So pay attention to your body language and make sure you're sending the right signals. By being mindful of your nonverbal cues, you can enhance your interactions and build stronger, more meaningful connections with others. 7. Respect and kindness, non-negotiables. This should go without saying, but respect and kindness are essential in any relationship, romantic or otherwise. Treat everyone with respect, regardless of their gender, background, or beliefs. Be kind, be compassionate, and be empathetic. Hold doors open, say please and thank you, and be mindful of others. These small acts of kindness go a long way in showing that you're a good person, and that's always attractive. 8. Ambition and goals. Show her you're going places. Having goals and aspirations is important. It shows that you're driven, motivated, and that you have a sense of purpose. Women find ambition incredibly attractive because it suggests that you're going places in life. So don't be afraid to talk about your passions, your dreams, and your goals. It shows that you're not content with just coasting through life, you're striving for something more. 9. Be supportive and encouraging. Everyone needs a cheerleader. Everyone needs someone in their corner cheering them on. Be that person for her. Support her dreams, encourage her passions, and celebrate her successes. Let her know that you believe in her and that you're there for her, no matter what. Being supportive and encouraging shows that you're a true partner, someone who wants to see her succeed in all areas of her life, and that's a quality that's truly priceless. 10. Authenticity. Be yourself. And finally, the most important tip of all, be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, because trust me, it won't work. Women can spot a fake a mile away. Embrace your quirks, your flaws, and your uniqueness. What makes you different is what makes you special. So relax, be yourself, and let your true personality shine through. The right person will appreciate you for exactly who you are. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 tips on how to be more attractive to women. Remember, it's all about confidence, kindness, respect, and being your best self. Now go out there and shine. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more relationship advice, funny videos, and heartwarming stories. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.